Welcome, 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 ladies and gentlemen, gentlemen's lady. What's up? How y'all doing? Another video here, late as hell, cause I've been busy as hell. So I hope y'all understand. This video that I'm editing right now behind me is about clutch kickers round 3 and what went down. So you already see I got the dog box in the car. Then we loaded the car up. Obviously we drove 7 hours. We was actually early. We're getting good at this early thing. We definitely getting early at this early thing. Got there early and we got to practice. So let's look at some practice videos.
Alright, so here we are, round 3, if you look up at the sky, that way, starting to look like round 2 all over again. Hopefully I don't catch on fire. But Friday practice felt great. Car was doing its thing. We bumped up to 275. We'll see if I run to 65, 275. But with the extra grip, I realized what I was doing wrong and what I needed to do. Had to drive the car harder, and I really liked it. Probably the direction I'm gonna go. Add more grip in, and go from there. But throughout practice, the car started to feel like it was underpowered. So this morning, Lee took it, started playing with the tune. We won't really know until I get back out for our first practice today. I'm ready to go. Confidence is through the roof right now. We'll see if that continues. As you know, I'm still on the same training, so I'm not looking for excuses, but Alright, so yesterday I said it was looking like repeat of round 2, and pretty close, you know, not too far off. I can't even talk about the rain or anything, which wasn't really that bad because I didn't get to participate in it. Car didn't catch on fire, so that's a plus. But after it going down on Power Friday and, you know, playing with the tune, might have did a little too much, and the clutch didn't like that. So, you know, we were gonna try go qualify and then change out the clutch after, but when I went to try to go to grid, I was basically on the floor revving the crap out of it, and it didn't really want to go anywhere. So by the time I got to this road right here, I said screw it and struggled to get it back over here, and that was the end of my weekend. Now it's time, you know, for some upgrades, some much needed upgrades.
So, since your boy can't seem to, you know, record when he's at the track because I'd be too excited, I did one qualifying lap. I did really good, actually. The car drove freaking good. That dog box, y'all. You know, shout out to that dog box. You know what I'm saying? Dog box, you doing your thing. Anyways, so I got 83. Car was running real good, and everything was nice. I was like, all right, cool. I'm gonna go for the next run. I don't know if y'all seen it live, but I ended up driving out there and just doing a U-turn because what was happening? Somebody, me, probably forgot to tighten the bell housing bolts tight because, you know, in between I'm taking the car, putting it on, pulling it out, blah, 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 blah. No excuse. I didn't tighten the bolts good. The bell housing was coming loose, so I choose to forfeit my second run and just stick with my first run with 83. And that left me in like the 11th position for top 64 on Sunday. But I mean, it is what it is. At least if I did that run, maybe I would have broke the trans. I would have been out of the game. I would have broken the input shaft or something. So that's why I forfeited the run. We came back Sunday morning, fixed it, tightened it up, and we went into battle. Let's go.
You're a little bit off that outer zone. Oh, it's a way wide on that. Oh man, it is a little dirt drop on that. Oh, way off! Woo! That was a good job! In the follow. Take it off. Off they go. All right. Oh, he's off and out of the 183. Here was straight behind him. Nice job on that transition. from Melbourne, Florida. Hoover, Alabama's own Michael LC in that 97 Supra. Yearwood. The Amazon one a little off there, Michael. Call it back a little. Here we go. Nice entry. Here we're sucking up quick. Oh, major signature. Like here we're sucking up. Nice line, get on that. Here we're pouring on that smoke.
Well, what I gotta say? We made it to top 16. It was a party. Car was driving good. I was feeling good. In the top 16, I was battling Michael LC in the white Supra with the LS. I did a really good lead run, listening to George and them. I went out into the zones more. But your boy choked on the follow because what happened was I wasn't anticipating them being that slow. So when we left the hole, I gave it some throttle. Didn't seem like he's going anywhere. Short shifted second, gave it some throttle. I actually was about to pass him, so I kind of backed off a little bit. Then he shotgunned it. Still wasn't fast enough. So I shot in on him. Choke, because I freaking didn't anticipate in the car that I was gonna grip up that much because I was going that slow, and the car kind of straightened a little bit, and then from then I knew I kind of like, you know, I was sending it downhill, so I just made sure I followed him the rest of the run. Unfortunately, that was enough for the judges to be like, yo, he gets the W. So I didn't make it a top 8. Well, you know what? It is what it is. I ain't mad. Next time I know to, you know, think ahead a little bit and anticipate if they're gonna be slow what I'm gonna do. I was just so used to just freaking flooring it all day in practice, flooring it every run, and just throwing the car in and sticking and doing what I gotta do. I didn't think of what I had to do if it slowed down, but it is what it is. Had a good time, Clutch Kickers. Round 3 was lit. Round 4 is definitely gonna be lit because we gonna make it. We gonna make it. We coming for that big check. Yeah. We'll see y'all round 4.